Hello everyone and welcome. Today I bring you a well-detailed video on how to make your wig with a lace closure, so please keep on watching. So when placing your lace closures, you want to make sure that the hairline of the closure comes past the dome cap, like so. Note, only the edges of the closures should rest on the dome cap, only the edges. Just to ensure that my closure is laying flat, watch what I'm doing. When sewing in your closures, make sure that you pull the thread down, not so that you tear it or cause it to rip or anything, but just so that it lays down flat, and try to avoid any bumpiness as possible as you can. See how flat my closure is laying. Oh my god, I'm just feeling myself right now. I'm so super excited. So I'll be using this hair from Cutie Hair. It came in 4 bundles, 220, 118 and 116, and a 4x4 closure. But I'm going to be starting with the 20-inch and then the 18 and then the 16 because I want to give it these layers and I want it long also. I'm going to continue sewing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth until I get to the top of the dome cap.
all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as...
Yeah, I would visualize,
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever, drive home and think.
Okay, I'm about to show you in detail how I do the fold over method. So just watch, it's very easy. Okay guys, I'm closing the wig now. I went through the weft and then trimmed the cap and then through the lace closure. That way it stays flat and there are no bumpiness when I run my hands through it. Okay, see how flat the wig is laying now. And please, if you've watched up until this time, like this video, comment, share it, and most importantly, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be bringing videos like this your way. And now I'm just cutting off the excess lace from the front. We're done cutting off the excess lace. We're just going to cut the cloth, the cap underneath the closure. And this is the final look. So please guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.